Hey everyone, welcome back to Wiggin' with Christy. Today I am showcasing to you a new Jon Renau style just released. This is Harper, and this is in the color 6F27 Caramel Ribbon. Now this wig was provided to me by Wig Studio 1, and they provided me with the wig for the content. Now Harper is a brand new part of a launch for bobs, all bobs. And this one is so cute. It is kind of that everyday wear. It's shoulder length, but there is some long layers in there. And it's a sophisticated bob that you can wear for elegant occasions or casual occasions. And it has a side swept bang. It does have a lace front, full monofilament top. I see very minimal permatease, maybe a centimeter of permatease in that back crown section. Other than that, this is does not have permatease. It's very natural feel and natural movement to this. You can part it any direction that you want. I do show this a lot in this video and showcasing to you that amazing monofilament top that allows it to look so natural when you part that. Now I do use a little bit of water bottle over here and apply that sprays and kind of show you how I styled it so I could lift it and get it out of the face. Now this color 6F27 Caramel Ribbon is described as brown with light red gold blonde highlights and tips. So very natural movement. I would say this is a medium to low density, feels very lightweight. I wore this yesterday even out and it's just so fun, perfect for the summer. So let's go ahead and dive into the rest of the portion of this review. Let's do a little styling for this. Now, wears great with sunglasses. This is going over the ear tab. Over the ear tab there. Super cute. Wears good. You have those wefts in here too. So I mean, there's been times if I'm in like some really windy weather, I'll make sure if it's a wefted cap to kind of push those into wefts, but you don't have to. I don't usually do that a whole lot, rarely. And I'm thinking this is gonna look cute with a hat. How cute is that? This is my Nike Flex hat, which I really love. I've had a short on this. I bought this at a store and it stretches really well and it wears really nicely with all my hats or with all my wigs. That's with it tucked in the ear. You could also style this out of the face. With that monofilament top, it's going to allow you to do a lot of different styling and with these longer layers as well. You can even get this fully off the face into a low ponytail or even off the forehead too, you know. And pulled back. So new format of how I'm changing it up on my YouTube channel, but Harper is incredible. I love this bob. There's just those long layers in here, just like the face framing. And if there's any layers in here, it's like spliced into the cut. So I would say maybe long layers, just at the textured ends. So my layers at the bottom here just flip up. Yours might flip up. It could be sometimes just the way it lands on you too. And so it's kind of pushing the fibers into that direction. This is a beautiful new style by Jon Renau. It is now available at wigstudio1.com. This again was sent to me by Wig Studio 1 for the content. And so you can check out them. There'll be links in my description box for how you can get this wig and save 30% off this wig as well with Wig Studio 1. I love the lace front. I love the parting. You can part this any direction like I showed. So it's really just preference, and then styling with a little water and a water bottle that will help, and maybe doing some directional rubbing as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Leave a comment if you haven't yet subscribed. I'd love to have your support. And also go follow me on Instagram, Wiggin' with Christy. I'm over there more than I am here, but I am trying to make more of a presence over here. I really am. So I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. See you guys next time. Bye.